One of my favorite things to make during the holidays is this beautiful charred rack of lamb with roasted potatoes. I'm going to show you how you can make this dish yourself. The secret is using the Char-Broil kettle and grill to get that perfect char on this lamb. So let's start off with that rack of lamb. We're going to season it up with some lemon juice, olive oil, rub that on all sides, and then we're grating on some fresh garlic. That's going to give it that beautiful charred garlic flavor when we get it on our grill. Seasoning it up with salt, garlic powder, and then we got some freshly chopped rosemary and thyme. Rub that on all sides. Now let's slice up our potatoes and onions. Once those are done, we're firing up the Char-Broil kettle and grill. Put the coals to one side of the grill to keep one side hot, one side cool. Now we got our Char-Broil entertainer cart with everything that we need right at our fingertips. It's super convenient. So get your cast iron pan onto your grill with your potatoes and onions. We're seasoning these up, adding a little bit of butter, then close that lid to let them cook. About 5-10 minutes in, let's add that rack of lamb and start to sear it on the hot side of the grill on all sides. Let it cook for about 5-10 minutes with the lid closed, and we're taking the temperature at about 123. We're pulling it off to let it rest, slicing in and serving up with our potatoes. Enjoy.